Hello, we would look at integrating 1099 miscellaneous data from Xero to tax1099.com in this short video. To start, I'll select Xero from the import menu on the left. Select the year of the 1099 data you wish to bring to tax1099.com and click the Xero Connect button. Enter your user ID and password and click Login. Click Authorize to allow tax1099.com to pull the data over. The edit grid displays. Look for errors as indicated by red dots. Green dots mean all the information is valid for e-filing. Any vendor you want to create a 1099 for needs to have a green dot next to the name. Note that if you're working with a lot of data, you're going to want to increase the number of records that display on the page. This enables you to view and correct more errors at once. Click the filter icon in the flag column heading to view any records with errors on this page. Let's correct this error. Click any vendor or entity payer name to modify their information. And here you can see we have a couple of fields missing data, so I'm just going to add those in and click Update. Now we no longer have any errors, though you can use the Edit button to change box numbers or amounts here if needed. You can also select multiple vendors or all payments for the payer and use the Apply to All Selected Recipients drop-down menu to change multiple box numbers. When updates are complete, you can export the data to Excel or move forward with the process by selecting the applicable vendors and clicking Next. If you have data on more than one page, you'll need to select the vendor on each page before proceeding.
Or use Select All.
On the Select Forms page, use the Schedule All Vendor e-file button to choose a date to send the information to the federal agencies. You can choose to delay the e-file to the IRS up to March 31st to give yourself extra time to make changes to filing information without having to issue corrected forms. On this page, you can also choose the delivery method, email or mail, to send copies to the recipients. If you want to print and mail the forms yourself, make no selection in those columns. TIN matching is available here to help prevent penalties for mismatched taxpayer ID and name combinations. State filings to non-combined federal-state filing states can also be chosen here if applicable. You can also view a preview copy, edit, or delete forms at this point. Select the vendors that you want to create forms for and click Next. This message states you have opted to print and mail 1099s yourself and that you can use the Manage Forms screen to change that later. On this page, you'll enter your payment details and click Pay Now. We will send you a confirmation email and a receipt for the payment. Email copies go into our queue to be sent as soon as possible. Mailed copies go out within 24 hours. You can check the status of the copies from the dashboard at any time. We have now completed the steps to bring Xero data into tax1099.com.